Bulacan would be just, one and done dapat itong Antipolo dahil pag nakakuha ka ng stop, you would want to be able to make that the last one.
So tuloy-tuloy ang problema, no? Fast break points is now being activated. Second chance points, that's 10-2. So if itong Bulacan nga will not be able to contain this running game in pure heart.
And yung opportunity din na nabibigay dito, I know it's a very lopsided score so far, no? Na yung napapakita mo yung ugali mo din sa coach. Nakasabi nga lang natin, no? Kakapuri lang natin, and they are coming up with back-to-back steals, resulting into those 2 Orga baskets and yet another and one dito for Kyle San Gabriel na ngayon this time around. Power move brought to us by Pound for Pound Fitness, the official fitness partner of the Junior MPBL. Pangatlong end one na yan dito for Antipolo. This time it's for Kyle San Gabriel. Another result of turnover.
And most likely, itong mga taga-Antipolo, alam ko may malapit na branch ng Pound for Pound dito eh. Kaya naman at an early age, talagang ang lalakas na ng katawan. But going back to your point,